Bonjour tout le monde. Today we are going to be looking at how to conjugate ER verbs in the present tense. So far we have seen how to recognise a conjugated verb and how to recognise an infinitive. As part of today's video we are going to be looking at the process itself of changing an ER infinitive into a present tense ER verb that has been conjugated. There are 3 steps that we will need to follow. First of all, we will need to select the correct pronoun. Then we will need to find the stem of our verb by taking off the ER infinitive ending. And finally, we will need to add the correct ending to match our pronoun onto our verb. This grid here is going to help us. Here we have our pronouns listed in order in English. Here we have them in French. And here are the endings that we will need to use to match each of our pronouns. I've also included a list of the most common infinitives that we have been using in our lessons to talk about free time and hobbies. Let's have a look at some examples then together. Starting with I play. This means that we're going to need to use the verb play. Here's the infinitive to play. We'll make a note of that. This is the verb that we are working with. This is the infinitive that we need to change. As we said earlier, step 1 is selecting the correct pronoun. Our pronoun is our person. Here I can see in the English my pronoun is I. So I'm going to go to my grid and I'm going to find the word I. The pronoun I in French is either je or J apostrophe, je. You will remember that we use je most of the time. J apostrophe is used when the verb that follows it starts with a vowel. In this case then, jouer does not begin with a vowel, so we can use the pronoun je. Step 1 complete. Step 2 is to take the ER ending off my infinitive to find my stem, je joue, and finally step 3, I need to match the correct ending to my pronoun, so I'm going to add E on the end here, and there I have it, I play, je joue. Let's try he eats. Here I want the verb eat, which is manger. I need to select my pronoun he, which is il, checking against my grid. I need to create my stem, that's step 2, and then I need to put the correct ending onto my stem to conjugate my verb. We'll do one more together. We talk. The verb to talk, I'm going to check, parler, to talk. That's my infinitive. Now I need to conjugate it. Step 1, find my pronoun. Step 2, create my stem. Step 3, match my verb ending to my pronoun. Why don't you have a go at the last 2, then press play again on the video to check your work. You buy, the verb to buy. Here I haven't specified which you, so I'm going to assume that it's you singular. I'm going to create my stem and I'm going to add my ending. They like, the verb to like, aimer. They, I've been told, is the feminine form of they. Correct pronoun. Create my stem, match my ending. Elles aiment. Brilliant. If you're feeling confident, we're going to look at some more examples again. Work through these at your own pace, and when you're ready, come back and check your work. This time I've been told that you is my plural version of you. So we've got the verb to hate, I like, M-A, I. This time I know M-A starts with a vowel, so I'm going to use my J apostrophe version of I. I've still got my stem, and I'm still going to match my ending. And there you have it, conjugating ER verbs in the present tense. It's actually quite easy when you get used to it. You just have to follow the steps. What will be really, really important is that you learn your pronouns and your verb endings in order. Why not try this by having a go at the Quizlet set that your teacher has given you? You could also keep practicing this new skill using your video homework sheet that you will find by following the QR code at the end of your booklet. As always, if you have any questions, you can go back and re-watch previous videos from this unit or Unit 1. Alternatively, you can always ask your teacher or look in your booklet for more support. Good luck!